Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for choosing to tune in today. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into today's video. Okay, so in today's video I'll be rating and talking about the young African and famous outfit, because I feel like every creator has pretty much covered the whole drama and everything, and they just left out the fashion part of it. Because okay, let's just be honest, every time there's something, or every time someone pulls up, they're wearing like they're going to the Met Gala or red carpet. So I feel like that should say something. That is something.
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
Let me just get it out there. I like Swinky. I like him very much. I love him, in fact. So I wouldn't be talking about him a lot because I feel like he said it himself. He's the fashion king. He's the fashion guy. So every outfit he wore, I loved. And then I'll just touch base on the outfits that I didn't like, because I feel like they were too much for me or too much for my sons. But then that's just for you to argue, and you can do right in the comment. I'll be starting off with the outfits that didn't make sense to me. Number 10, we have Kanyumbau. Okay, so this outfit, it's silver. Like, okay, so it's unconventional. It looks like she's going out of space and she's ready to parachute. Like, I honestly didn't like it, and that's just me, that's just my opinion. Don't come for me, that is just my opinion. So I didn't like it. It was like I don't get the concept. And let's move right along to at number 9. We have our girl Annie, who just landed in SA, and she was wearing this. Okay, so I'm not sure if she was wearing this throughout like the whole trip and the plane, or she just changed when she got to the hotel and then to meet Kanye. But still, it's giving lingerie. It's giving inside the bedroom. It's giving not to be seen in public. But here she is at number 9. Number 8, we have Zari. Yeah, Zari. There's a lot to say about Zari, but then we're just focusing on her outfit here. So we have Zari in this silver suit. Okay, I don't have a problem with silver, but I just don't get it. Okay, at number 7, we have Nadia Nakai. Nadia Nakai in her orange. Yeah, it was very orange and very warm. It looked very warm. And the belt was as thick as I don't know. And that belt was so thick, like that orange. Okay, maybe if I see the outfit in full when they're standing, maybe it'll make sense, but then just didn't make sense. Like that belt, the coat I get, but then the belt and the no, I just didn't get it. So that's who we have at number 7. Moving along, we're going to number 6, and we have Ernie in her brown velvet dress with beadings on the boobs. Yeah. And then now for some outfits I liked. At number 5, we have Queen Bee. The green dress. Okay, so one thing I should say, I love the dress on her, the fitting, the style. I loved everything. But I felt like, knowing Wenang and who she is, she could have done so much better, because that was like her first appearance in like the show. And I felt like she disappointed. Like, I know what she can do. I know, like, if you like look down on her Instagram, she can do a lot more. So for that to be like her premiere, like, because like that was like a premiere to the show, and her coming to the party. So she should have made like impression, like she should have like got in and be like, okay, I'm here, Queen Bee. But then I felt like she didn't do it. Like she didn't do it for me. The dress was nice.
Okay. I do.
At number 4, we have Annie in her queen like. I love the angles. I love the geometry. I love the, yeah, I love that. Like it's very straight and very narrow, and I loved it for her. I was like, thank you. Thank you, the gods of fashion. Thank you for allowing Annie to have this one win, because we don't know when it's gonna come back. We don't. I don't. Number 3, we have Kaylee when she was arriving at Diamond's party alongside Nat Nakai. Okay, I'll just give the third spot for both of them because they looked fire, they looked nice, and they were everything they were serving. At number 2, we have Kanye in this outfit. I loved it. I loved all the drama that came with it. I loved how the details, how it was beaded, and it just was the drama that I want. Yeah, I loved it. At number 1, we have Bonan, and I should say the dress is really nice. And I feel like she should have worn this dress when she was going to Diamond's party, because it would have made a statement. It would have been, yeah, this is me, Queen Bee, and I'm here, and I'm here to stay. I'm just thinking how she left. Okay, but then we're not there. And just like that, we've come to the end of our video. And if you're still here and you did happen to like the video, please do press the like button, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.